Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, trade of the day, and that happens to be SNCR from our AI. It took a while. Also, it was in my option scanner, but I'm just going to show you where the AI alerted. So at 10:34, the entry was 3:38. There it was, okay? You see that blue candle, or sorry, the blue arrow? That's showing the candle in which the alert happened. It took a while though. I mean, remember these are 15-minute candles, but once it got rolling, we're talking about 10% right now, okay? Now, look where the AI got out of that trade. Doesn't mean you had to, okay? 357, this thing was still running, at when the AI got out of the trade. Actually, you know what happened? No, I'm wrong. This is what happened. It got up to 357 up here, and then it hit a target, which I think is an artificial target. This is just the way the strategy has been optimized. But why would you ever get out of the trade right there? Okay, as this candle is expanding. So, that's why I don't really pay any attention to targets with the AI. I mean, if the trade is still working, I mean, again, why would you get out of the trade? But that definitely is the, great one from the AI. Not too many alerts. But I'll be remiss if I do not mention ALF also, okay? Because Zack in our trading room, he talked about ALF just, I think, as the market was opening. And he said, he was getting long this. Look what happened with ALF. It went from about, I don't know exactly when he got in, could have been around the 13 level, and it popped all the way up to $20, over $20. Pulling back now, but a big shout out to Zack in our trading room who comes up with great trades every single day, along with Real, of course. All right, guys, I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, this is the address you can use, email address you can use. I'm going to open the room 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. And